No, you got to come higher up. There it is. Do it again. Do it again. But I said to her, what if I could drop that? And you got to do it like you did it before.
Don't eat Daddy's hair.
She can't do it now. Go on, do it again. Do it again. Go on then. There you are, you got it. She's smiling as well. Go on, do it again. Is that fun? Is that fun? Is that fun? Is that fun? You've slobbered all over my arm. You gotta do it right, you gotta get it right. I bet you're having way over time doing that, ain't you? There you go. There you go. That's what you want.